How to add birthday date on Snapchat profile. For this, first and foremost, open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device. From here, you can go ahead and tap on the Bitmoji icon at the very top. Tap on the setting gear option. Now from here, you will see the option of birthday. Just go ahead and tap on it. At the top, you can edit your birthday simply by scrolling to the day and date and the year as well from here. Then just tap on continue once you have done with the edits. However, it will not be displayed on your Snapchat profile, but it will notify the Snapchat friends or users regarding your birthday, and you will have a special cake emoji at the side of your username, which will be displayed to your friends as well. If you do not have this feature, press and hold the Snapchat application and go to app info. Force stop it, then head to storage and cache, then clear up the cache. Next step, you can open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat in this search bar. From here, if you find an update bubble just like this, leave it for an update. If not, you can wait for an update or uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.